Robo Wado Nigeria Major Wado Robo Feyo no Robo is what learning. So we are going to teach Ibiẹbe, Ibiẹbe, kugbe, Ibiẹbe, erha. What we are going to teach today is 2-letter words in Yoruba language and 3-letter words in Yoruba language. Lest I forget, we have 7 vowel in Yoruba language. And vowel in Yoruba language is a taruwo. Yere. Yere means or. Yere. A taruwo, which means vowel. So we have 7 of them, which are a, e, I, o, u. The a with the dot is e, and the o with the dot is o. So listen carefully. Listen and listen carefully. So now the Ibiẹbe, Ibiẹta is this. We are starting with the first line, which is ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Let me come again. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Now, if you add a vowel at the front of these 2-letter words in Yoruba language, automatically they become 3-letter words. Now, we are taking it from ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Now, let us add a taluwo at the back. Let us add a vowel at the back of the 2-letter words. Then we are going to get o, bo. We just add a vowel of o to bo. Ba, be, bi, bo, bo. So we add o to bo. It becomes obo. Obo means hand in Yoruba language. Obo, it means hand in Yoruba language. So let us make irereta. Irereta means sentence in English. Irereta, sentence. So ona obome. Ona obome, this is my hand. Ona obome, this is my hand. Ona obowe, is this your hand? E obome, yes, it's my hand. Wado Robofeyo no Rome, your humble presenter. Kurume ubumi yogenenyero. Oshomuju, ofrowuju. Oshongme, Ochayawa, Ogbibagi, Ogege, Guguge. So see you next time tomorrow.